wacha kuchezea jamii yetu. You know I respect you. You know I was number one in pushing your presidential ambition, and I'm still number one in pushing your presidential ambition. Mudavadi, I want you to be president. Because me, I don't want to be president, I want to be governor. So if you are president, Mudavadi, you will not deny me anything. You are my brother, you want to be president, I'm supporting you. But please, accompany your ambition with tact. Tactics require that you associate with the people with whom you'll build a winning team. We have decided here, with all the teachers who are here, akina mama, kwamba wewe tutakuunga mkono mkiwa na Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Ruto mkuu mmoja yuko State House, wacha Ruto aingie State House na wewe uweke mkuu mmoja kama deputy, basi our community will be in government. Stop pretending to our people that you are moving with the Wetangula so as to go to the presidency. Wetangula comes from Luhya land, you come from Luhya land. You don't add any value to each other. All you need to do is to make a decision to work with William Ruto. Now, Wetangula, I don't know what's wrong with you. I was your deputy, I showed you the way, it is still the way. Kama ulikuwa unafikiri Raila ni rafiki yako, akakuchapa, akakufukuza kwa ofisi, na isitoshe, Raila wameungana na Uhuru, wamechukua pesa, wamepatia Eseli, wamepatia Wamunyinyi, wamekunyang'anya chama ya Wamalwa. Wamekunyang'anya chama ya Masinde Muliro. Stop embarrassing us. Wachana hao na with that shell, come and join us with the deputy president. We are the winning team.